Today for nature journaling, we're going to use our senses. Let's listen, feel, hear, and smell what nature is showing us today. I can hear lots of birds. And I hear a lot of spring peepers too. So I'm opening my nature ears and I'm hearing birds and I'm hearing frogs. Listen to this one. This is prairie dock. It has such a rough leaf, it's almost like sandpaper. Even when it's green in the summertime, it's really rough. It's one of the ways it holds on to the water. Listen to this. Hearing nature. The tiny little buds on the pussy willow branch are so soft. So looking for smooth and rough, this stem is very rough. And this flower head is very rough and prickly. This prairie grass is so soft. It feels like silk. This is called rattlesnake master. It is so spiky. Ouch! So spiky. This cattail has gone to seed, and its seeds are very soft. So this is a native plant to the prairie. It's the bergamot. Obviously it's gone to seed, but this has a wonderful smell. Smelling nature. Mountain mint. It smells so good. I'm using my sense of sight to look for colors in nature. I found yellow. We saw red on the red-winged blackbird. These young, early willow trees, the new branches are always yellow. There's another color that I found in nature today. I found blue in the sky. I see green in the water. And I found purple.